Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, that's enough. Video.
Alright, let's see your cake, Miss Julia. Yes, why am I so funny? That's beautiful.
Oh, it's a video? Because I texted Julia today. It has nothing to do with the lady with kids. It's like a 90-year-old woman.
Who's this?
Kids, the job that she's talking about.
The other Julia.
Another Julia. It's like a 90-year-old woman who wants someone to come over, like, every once in a while and do random things for her. Her kids want someone to help her go through her mail because she doesn't get it for long periods of time. And then it, like, piles up, and then she's, like, really unmotivated to go through it because she's like, I don't know what to do. This way?
It's Elisa's cake, she can pick.
You choose. Which way do you want to cut?
Do the square cutting. This way? Yeah.